While Samsung cell phones offer a range of excellent features and options, there may be certain reasons why someone might choose not to buy a Samsung cell phone. Here are 10 things to consider if you are thinking about not buying a Samsung cell phone. Price: Samsung phones tend to be on the more expensive side, especially their flagship models. If you're on a tight budget, you may find better value elsewhere. Bloatware: Samsung phones often come with pre-installed apps and services that some users may consider unnecessary or intrusive. Software updates: Samsung's software update policy varies, and some older or budget models may not receive as many updates or as promptly as competitors. Custom user interface: One UI Samsung's custom UI may not be to everyone's taste. Some prefer the cleaner, simpler look of stock Android. Limited OS customization: Compared to some other Android manufacturers, Samsung may offer less flexibility in customizing the look and feel of the operating system. Slower performance over time: Some users report that Samsung phones tend to slow down and become less responsive as they age. Overwhelming features: Samsung often packs its phones with a plethora of features and settings, which can be overwhelming for users who prefer a simpler experience. Repairability: Samsung phones are known for being more challenging to repair compared to some other brands, which may result in higher repair costs. Inconsistent camera performance: While Samsung has made significant strides in camera technology, some users find the camera performance to be inconsistent across their lineup,